Not yet. He's alive.
Not Pakil. He's alive, look.
The papa is just telling to his daughter. Don't go, I'm sorry. Don't go, Dad.
You read, Kel, you read.
You read, baby, you read. Please don't. What did you do? He's still alive, oh. Oh, he's still alive. He's not a zombie. He needs to go. Dad.
He has to go and he did.
Yes, he has to go.
Like,
He has to go and he did. So that he will not beat his daughter, right?
Beat?
Bite. So he It's a bite.
ba't ka na dumog?